Starting around 03 October 2023, STEPN entirely is exchanging at 20 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.5% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which ridiculously is very huge in a really significant manner. GMT especially truly has a complete market cap of $205,712,236, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,136,387, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. This truly makes STEPN, GMT, extremely positioning at 138 in the digital currency market, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2023, what will STEPN in a real sense generally be for the most part worth in 2023, as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is STEPN a kind of wise venture or most certainly extremely worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially genuinely significant manner? Will GMT cost in every practical sense explicitly outperform its record-breaking high, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking? These quite are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future, which sort of is genuinely huge. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2023. As per the STEPN estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the GMT value sort of basically is supposed to for the most part cross a genuinely normal value level of 25 cents, the normal by and large least value worth of STEPN, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to be 24 cents in an especially enormous manner, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, GMT can essentially arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 26 cents, or so they especially thought incredibly. GMT value figure August 2023. Concerning August 2023, STEPN explicitly generally is supposed to generally especially arrive at a kind of least value worth of 20 cents in a genuinely sort of significant manner. The GMT cost could arrive at an especially most extreme cost of 22 cents, with the by and large in every practical sense, normal cost around 22 cents in a sort of enormous manner. GMT value conjecture September 2023. Concerning September 2023, STEPN truly is supposed to sort of really arrive at an extremely least value worth of 21 cents, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The GMT cost could by and large arrive at an essentially greatest cost of 23 cents, with the for the most part certainly normal cost around 22 cents in an unpretentious manner. GMT value estimate October 2023. The STEPN conjecture for October 2023 expects that the GMT may really arrive at a most extreme worth of 24 cents, with an in every practical sense, least cost of around 22 cents in a sort of huge manner, which is very critical. Discussing the typical value, GMT can for the most part essentially stretch around 23 cents for October, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking incredibly. STEPN, GMT, value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of STEPN explicitly by and large is generally anticipated to sort of arrive at a very especially normal cost of 24 cents, while the coin could exchange between an in every way that really matters limit of 25 cents and an all things considered least of 23 cents, as opposed to prevalent thinking. STEPN value estimate December 2023. The fundamentally by and large normal cost of STEPN, GMT, could essentially certainly go to 25 cents toward the finish of December 2023, showing how might GMT cost most certainly outperform its untouched high, which essentially is genuinely critical, which for the most part is very huge. GMT could be exchanging around a really greatest worth of 26 cents, with the for the most part sort of least expected cost of 24 cents in a sort of significant manner. STEPN sort of past value examination in the especially by and large beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every way that really matters has been generally sort of diminished by 2.19% in its ongoing worth, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they basically thought. Assuming we sort of especially analyze the pretty truly current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap actually generally is additionally down, which sort of is very critical. STEPN in every practical sense is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with essentially especially other crypto coins, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The GMT sort of in a real sense is down to nearly 5.73% in the very most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin for the most part is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for in every practical sense, past by and large really couple of days. The coin could basically for the most part have serious areas of strength for exceptionally however, we don't sort of figure that it would a beneficial resource in by and large, genuinely momentary in an essentially significant manner. Genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Inside the actually quite most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT basically diminished by 49.126%, killing an incredible really normal amount of 20 cents from its by and large current worth, showing the way that the GMT cost could especially explicitly arrive at a truly greatest cost of 22 cents, with the entirely normal cost around 22 cents. Or so they essentially thought in a fundamentally huge manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin commonly sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a truly great in every practical sense, purchase an open door for actually certainly speedy interest in an especially significant manner. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 64.43%, and the cost fundamentally coursed from a genuinely lovely least kind of typical cost of 51 cents to especially genuinely greatest in every practical sense, truly normal cost of 59 cents in the specific beyond 90 days, or so they certainly for the most part thought. STEPN generally truly is somewhere near 20.36% with the greatest especially normal cost of the coin essentially was around 29 cents and the by and large sort of least lovely truly normal cost of for the most part certainly was around 28 cents in especially beyond 4 months. Pretty certainly further appearance how truly is STEPN a truly wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially fundamentally huge manner. STEPN value figure 2023 facts what will basically be STEPN most certainly worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner amazingly. The GMT cost generally truly is gauged to truly arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of 26 cents with pretty sort of least cost of 24 cents toward the finish of 2023 in an actually really significant manner. Does STEPN explicitly really have a future or so they basically thought? As far as value, STEPN very has an exceptional for the most part potential to in every practical sense arrive at new levels or so they truly thought, which is genuinely critical. It for the most part truly is gauged that GMT will increment in esteem, quite further appearance how stepn GMT value expectation 2023 as per the STEPN estimate cost and specialized examination in 2023, the GMT cost basically is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of 25 cents. The normal by and large kind of least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to be 24 cents in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. As indicated by in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business examiners, STEPN can commonly essentially raise a ruckus around town, the greatest cost of $1.65